adjustments I need to make for us to maneuver through the islands, various islands. A bob, so this is what you do is you squeeze the wheel and like a
We are a 40-foot catamaran with an 18-foot beam. We have reservations for 2 nights, and we are looking for a subsignment.
Roger that, Emirates. Could I confirm your beam at 22 feet, over?
18 feet.
Roger that. We still have you proceeding onto slip 46, that is slip 46 on the inlet of Garden Region. That will be a bow in port tide, bow port. Yeah.
Copy that.
gonna pass you supplies.
Hey, docking beer.
Mr. Devious Man, D.
I don't know who that is. I heard he's some rock star though.
Yeah, I heard he was a Wallace.
Yeah, no, he's a rock star.
Everybody loves him, but everybody's a Wallace. I heard. I'm feeling very alive as I am, sweetheart. You'll feel alive. It will remind you of being 16. Go. 1, 2, 3, hop, and that's it. Come, Betty. Let's go. Come, Betty. Let's go. You're gonna feel alive. Go. 1, 9, 142, 977.
Okay, ready? 1, okay.
2. Getting exhausted. Nice. You feel alive, don't you? Do you? Or you feel more dead? Oh, Bobby, you're so strong. Shit.
Break me off piece that gotta have piece that will have piece that can't Oh, clap, 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 singing this, chigga, 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 clap, singing this, chigga, chigga, baloney, baloney, cheese and macaroni, fire, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, okay, you're out. I dodged it.
Can't swim, so I took a boat to an island so remote. Only Johnny Depp has ever been to it before. Stayed there till the air was clear. I was bored and out of tears. Then I saw you washed up on the shore. I offered you my coat. Thank God it's luck and flow. Crazy how that shipwreck meant my ship was coming in. We talked, the sun went down. Love on the Puget Sound. My treasure map was on your skin. Beauty in the water, angel on the beach, ocean's daughter. Nothing love's out of reach till I got her. Had I known it could come through, would I wished in 92 for a mermaid just like you, just like you. Sharks scream with envy, they wonder what you see in me. Funny, but sometimes can't help but wonder that as well. Now life is a holiday, making up for these I paid. The way to this heavenly bay, it went through hell. Beauty in the water, angel on the beach, ocean's daughter. Nothing love's out of reach till I got her. Had I known it could come through, would I wished in 92 for a rescued you by the banyan tree. All the goldfish in the sea couldn't hold a candle to you. They don't have a handle on you, they don't have a scandal on you. I like eco sandals and you saving me was B.I.G. All the boyfish in the sea, they all wish that they could be me. Can't swim, so I took
Elizabeth, over now. Yes, this is over now.
going on. So that I want it so long. Stacy, can't you see? Just not girl for me. No, I'm not wrong, but I love Stacy's mom.
Only Betty knows.